Hey everyone, welcome back to more Binding of Isaac ASMR, and today is going to be a very specific day. If you are an American citizen like myself, you should know that tax season is very much in full effect and that the tax due date is very, very soon. I don't remember the exact date specifically, but I do know that it is at least within 2 weeks. So if you have not gotten your taxes done, then you really should get on that, please. The biggest takeaway that you can get from living here is that you don't fuck with the IRS. You do not do that. So I figured it would be funny, even though this character is already complete, to do a Tainted Keeper run. Because, you know, Tainted Keeper is the tax evasion character, and maybe I'll talk about ways to commit tax evasion, which, as a disclaimer, as someone who is going to be going into accountancy, do not do these. These are highly illegal, and you will find yourself in deep trouble if you do them. I am not a legal authority on accountancy law, and you should always talk to your private or public accountant, depending on what your needs and wants are. With that being said, Tainted Keeper, the character that is, without a shadow of a doubt, my favorite character in the entire game. And, oh, that's really bad. And honestly, it's not even remotely close, I'm gonna be completely honest. Wow, that was very lucky. So if you don't know, his entire gimmick, well, I assume if you're clicking on this, you're, wow, that's really good. You're a Binding of Isaac player, at the very least. Oh, give me those. But his entire gimmick is that every time he kills an enemy, he drops a coin. And this can snowball very quickly. Assuming you don't skill issue like I do on a constant basis. Which brings me to my first tax evasion tip. Which again, do not actually do these, but you know, that's just ways to not get myself sued or be ineligible for becoming an accountant. Is to find yourself specific illegal ways of generating more revenue. Whether that be bank robbery, general grand theft, normal theft. It can really be a multitude of ways. One of the best ways you can process this illegal money to not get in trouble with tax people is to launder it. So if you know of certain places that are willing to go under the board with where the money is gathered from, whether it be drug deals or certain trafficking thing, like human trafficking or drug trafficking, if you're able to funnel this illegal dirty money into there, you can then clean the money, which is by definition laundering it. This is a very effective way of getting around spending illicit tender in certain locations. Another significant method is to flat out just lie about what your potential income is. Ooh, that's really good. Whether that be overstating your income so you get a larger than normal tax return, understating it so you don't have to pay as much tax, or just flat out evading your taxes. Tax evasion is by far the least effective way to be able to get around your taxes, though, as if you're a U.S. born citizen, you are very much under scrutiny. The IRS definitely has information that I actually bring this up to pivot from giving these definitely illegal. Please do not do these tax evasion and fraud tips. I'm sure you know what Breaking Bad is. I have never seen Breaking Bad. I've never seen Better Call Saul. I know I need to fix that. I don't know. I don't really watch a ton of cable television anymore. But I do know that there are parts of the show that go into the minutia. Ooh, that's quite good.
Really a problem when you're trying to sleep.
Go into the minutia of how money laundering and tax fraud works, especially with Better Call Saul, since, you know, I think isn't one of the most famous lines in that show of just like, oh, hold up. If you have more income than the IRS expects, what do they think you're doing? They'll think I'm selling meth. No, they'll think you're evading taxes. Something like that. So I suppose that's quite funny. Oh, no, I missed out on the lucky penny. No. That's quite good. Honestly, there are, as someone who is not a actual tax accountant, I unfortunately do not have a ton of tips for, like, generalized money laundering. Wow, Void, that's so good. I'm gonna pass. Other than some of the basics of, you know, just don't file or over-report. Another way that you can commit tax fraud, though, is to over-itemize your taxes. When I say over-itemize, there are, I can't get either of those. There are specific methods of reporting your tax income or your taxable income. And you can either get a standard deduction, which will just take a specified lump sum out, or an itemized deduction where you will specifically deduct work costs and certain other approved costs. But what you can do is you can over-itemize it and basically report that, oh yes, I did spend $10,000 purchasing beauty products as a influencer because my public image is my brand. That is really good. Yeah. Sorry, I'm stumbling over my words. I'm just surprised at how many good items Tainted Keeper gets. What the hell? Oh. You can't make me. I'll take this, though. Ace of Clubs, sure. I'm sorry, I'm flabbergasted at, some of the items that I'm receiving. Gimme. Oh, I missed both of those. But yeah, over and under-itemizing. Well, you don't really want to under-itemize, because if you under-itemize, you might winding up paying more tax, which isn't really the point of committing tax fraud now, is it?
Olive clubs.
Oh, I'll take that, actually. Another method that I'm thinking of is specifically for residents that have earned income tax rates, is to try and report yourself as low as possible so you can qualify for earned income tax credit, which will be a major boost to your tax return. Would either cut out a significant portion of your tax, or to actually, this is the worst arcade I think I've ever seen. I'm actually just gonna not acknowledge that. Okay, well, you see, that's what happens when you listen to anything that I am saying. The IRS is going to come into your home and assassinate you. This is going to happen, which is why you should not take any of this advice. Do not do this, please. But yeah, I suppose I can do another run. This is probably going to be a very short video because this is a giant shit post. I cannot emphasize enough how much of a joke this is. I actually may wind up removing this if this becomes an issue with becoming an accountant, because I really do not want to lose out on a potential career path because I decided to jokingly whisper ways to commit tax fraud. I mean, I don't know. E-girl ASMR artists get away with it all the time, so I'm kidding. That was a low blow. Wow, that's quite good. I'm trying to think of other ways that I know how to commit fraud. You know, despite me being a tax-paying citizen for the last 4 years, actually no, the last 5 years, I actually really don't know that much about tax law. Reverse temperance, sure.
Temperance.
Maybe I could get something good from this. That was very good, actually. Wow. Ooh. One thing I do know is I was a self-employed worker for a little bit. And one thing you can definitely do is underreport your self-employed income. If it can be classified as a hobby, then it is very, very easy to just go, I made less than $400 in a year off of my hobby, which will exempt you from having to pay a ton of self-employment tax on it, though it will still go towards your general income. Wow, okay, a dime just randomly. But yeah, this only works so much. This only works to a certain degree if you specifically are self-employed and don't do like YouTube full-time or Twitch full-time, or you run an eBay store that is able to support you full-time. As when you get to that point, then you need to owe taxes every quarter, and that can make things very complicated, which is, not great if you want to launder. What else? I suppose I will just give more tips as things come up. Well, tips, again, that you should not do. Do not do these. Man, I am really going hard on that disclaimer. I sound like a corporate shill at the moment.
Hagalaz destroys all the rocks.
That gave me nothing. I was hoping to get a crawl space, maybe. Oh yeah, also just straight up hiding money. Whether taking it into a offshore bank account or just straight up burying it in a river or something, like you're in the Prohibition era. Yep. Actually, complete off tangent. One of my friends showed me the pilot for. It's a webcomic turned animated series, I guess. It was called Lackadaisy. I'd never heard of it. I actually really quite enjoyed it. And it's funny because I personally have not seen a couple of the major adult animated show pilots that have come out over the past couple of years. Like, I have yet to see any episodes of Aspen Hotel or Elite Moss. And I know a lot of people really like those shows, and I actually will wind up watching Aspen Hotel when it comes out on A24. I forget if it's going to be a Hulu exclusive or something, but as someone who has really enjoyed a lot of projects A24's done, seeing that they're producing the Has-Been TV series pretty much tells me that it's going to be good. I suppose that's something actually to consider, doing a ASMR movie podcast or something, because I would love to have an excuse to see a lot of major films, especially if I can write them off as a business expense, which, well, in this case, that would not be a tax evasion method if it were part of my job to review films. It obviously would be if it were not. So, yeah. There's something alive in this room. There you are. Excuse me, sorry, I've been drinking more soda than I usually do lately, which is a really nasty habit of mine that I really should kick. Soda is almost as bad for you as following any of these tax evasion tips. Hold on. room sucks. I hate those jumping spiders, as the rest of the community does, I believe. I don't think there's a single person who enjoys fighting them. Ooh. Oh, by the way, if you heard that Discord ping, just ignore it. I will probably have to put a Discord notification warning. That is in. Oh, I wish I could have both. I just realized I'll take that though. I'd rather that. No, it's not that. If I were a secret room, that's really bad. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to lower that in post. I've been having a itch in my throat all day, and I don't know what's causing it, and I hate it. I hate literally everything about having an unexplained itch in my throat. It sucks. But yeah, I will probably just upload this video as Tainted Keeper Enjoyership tells you how to commit tax evasion. Also, another proper way to do tax evasion is through blackmail. Blackmail is a thing that could come in many forms, whether it be bribing a government official to give you a better cut on certain goods. Oh, get out of your free card. Ow. Oh, emergency contact. I got that wrong. Or bribing a company, as a lot of very rich people do. What? I didn't say anything, did I? Sorry, my anti-corporatism is showing a little bit. It's not the most polite thing to just talk about how shitty corporations are in the middle of telling you how to launder money, I guess. Yeah, there aren't really too many intricacies to bribery. You simply just have to have the right connections, and you'll be able to get away with quite a bit, especially if you are in a position of power. It is much harder to get rid of you immediately if you are in a position of a presidency or in government of some sort, as you can see by our current government. That's really good. Dead cat. I have to really think about this because I'm going to be at one hit for a long time if I take that. But it is guppy progress. Screw it. I'll definitely take that, and we're taking this. But yeah, you need to have the correct connections. But bribery is just knowing how to say the right things and talking the right kind of money. Hey, there's my health back. I just need 5 more cents, so drop me a nickel, please. Oh god, I'm on. Yep, there it is. Well, I have a bunch of lives to spend at least. Oh wow, this room actually sucks. Go away. You suck. Yeah, that room could. Oh, this room is quite good. I kind of just want flat stone. What other methods of tax evasion are there? Oh, wow. Well, there's my ability to purchase placenta. Yes, my favorite method of tax evasion. Eating the placenta. No, I'm just being funny. Although, another method of tax evasion is to report that you have children when you do not. Whether it be one of your grandkids as your own children. Wow, I am skill issuing to a massive magnitude. Okay, well, that's really awkward. This video might be quite short and might be quite fruitless. Oh, give me, no. Wow, okay, you're just seeing some of the worst Isaac gameplay, potentially. again, this is what happens when you want to commit tax evasion, which is why, again, I heavily implore you that you do not do this. As I continue to remind you, I will remind you by the end of the video. Gimme. Oh. Right, I have host app. Oh. Well, gimme stars. Reverse Fool, that is incredible too. I need money. Holy Mantle basically just saved my entire run, I think, because I was skill issuing real hard there. And I have a lot of chances to... fuck it, I actually am just going in with this. This is easier like this. I might actually need to focus up Wormwood. I might struggle with Wormwood a lot. Yeah, I don't know what it is about Wormwood. There's something about this boss that always trips me up. Oh god, I don't know how that can be. Please be done with this. Please. Oh, thank God. Hit that boss, and I missed out on a bunch of potential money. But yeah, again, there will be more methods of how to commit tax evasion, even though I strongly recommend that you do not do this. This bit is going to get old. I'm going to get like 8,000 dislikes on this video. Just, he would just not shut up about not committing the bit, not doing the bit. It's just, instructions unclear. I wanted money anyways, or something stupid like that, which, you know, to be fair, it would be pretty funny. I would have to give in, that would be very funny if I got comments saying, like, I did it anyway, which again, you should not do. I'm just gonna stop with that bit. I think I've established very clearly that this is a piece of satirical comedy. But with that being said, there is no satire in the fact that it is very easily possible to launder money via working with various organizations across the world. I have no doubts in my mind that if you really set yourself to it, you can basically go to any organization and go, I need this money to get cleaned, and they will do it for you for a small price. That is really bad. I'm not even going to take that. Whether it be the Yakuza, the cartel, the mafia, or any such organization like that. It is quite simple indeed. Alright, with that being said though, let's go get this Holy Mantle and hopefully finish this run up soon. Although, just for a bit of fun, I have received some Discord messages as I mentioned, so I will type responses to them. Clicking around to see if what those messages are. Okay, nothing much else. Let's go by my Holy Mantle, and of course I get a message immediately after. Gimme. I'm not going to worry too much about responding to everything, but again, I will put a Discord noise warning. Actually, I will take that. Excuse me. I don't know what's gotten into me at the moment. Oh, give me that lead pencil. I want it. Actually, we could. That does not work. Okay. I was wondering if that would, but. Ow. Give me that lead pencil right now. Do it. Damn it. I was really hoping that talking shit about the game would make it listen to me, but who knew that it would not be convinced by the soothing sounds of ASMR guide to tax evasion while I play Tainted Keeper, which again might be one of the stupidest titles I could possibly come up with. I actually don't know what I'm going. Okay. I need a per throw literally right now. In fact, screw the tax evasion. I'm just going to rob people until I get what I want, which in itself is another form of tax fraud. Though, fun fact, the IRS does have forms that request any illegally earned income. That's quite good. I'll come back to that. Which I suppose is it's a very weird thing to have a form for, but in a way it makes sense. I was hoping that would give me that. Juicy sack's quite good. I need to find my shop and I need to find it soon. Oh, nope, I don't want to do that. Ow. You know, I just realized I basically am just playing like the Lost but based. I don't even know what that means, but it's funny to call things based, which I guess gets us into the nature of language itself and this and that. Language has evolved so much over even the last 100 years that it's really hard to determine what it will look like in the near future. Like, how just 10 years ago, who the hell was still... Oh, okay. I am not playing very well, and this gameplay is probably very painful to look at. I deeply apologize for how rough this has been. Excuse me. I would say I've had a long day, but I really haven't. I've just been mostly thinking about if I could get into accountancy and the amount of tax money I'd be able to launder once I'm in it. I'm kidding. I actually do wonder if accountants joke about committing tax evasion and tax fraud. I don't know, if you were an accountant, that would be funny to hear if that's a running joke of like a client who wanted you to bend the books. I'm sure you probably had to deal with a lot of that from very sketchy corporations, especially in public, where they're just like, oh, we don't need this specific guy, I'm very sad. I want that, but I can't get it.
Shop speed down. Yes, we know you're absolutely devastated by that.
I am absolutely devastated. Devastated that you and I are not knowledgeable enough on how to evade taxes on the state level. I mean, what are they gonna do if you evade taxes in Texas? Satanic Bible, huh? You know what? That's really funny. I did not mean to purchase that at all.
Lucky cha-cha-cha.
I will take that, though. I need to get myself a couple more cents, like, real quick, because I really want that Satanic Bible. Oh, you little shit. Oh. Aw. Well, I can get Satanic Bible at least, which is infinitely better than the Iron Pick. Gimme. Unfortunately, this does mean that I'm probably not going to be able to afford the item that drops at the end. Oh, no. That sucked. But what other forms of... Oh, okay, I just ran straight into that. This is the lowest level Isaac gameplay befitting of a filthy tax dodger such as myself. But you know, at the end of the day, it's important to remember that if you are going to be committing tax evasion and tax fraud, you obviously want to make sure you're covering up your trail, because the component of tax evasion, they didn't get him off of bootlegging, they didn't get him off of murder, they got him off of tax evasion. I want that desperately, but I can't get it. I'm sad. These kind of suck. You know, I'm blowing up my donation machine for it. I know a lot of people get mad when you blow up donation machine over certain things. But in this case, come on guys, it's Eye of Belial. It's one of the best items in the game. And it borderline should be a quality 4. Oh, maybe if I get enough money, I can actually buy multiple items. I cannot. Another way that is very specific to the community to launder money and evade taxes is Counter-Strike Global Offensive skins. If you just never report on your Steam wallet income, what are they gonna do about it? Who's going to stop you from selling Mega Rim in favor for the maximum allotted price on a third-party skin reselling website? Although, I actually don't really know the state of Counter-Strike skins. I know Counter-Strike 2 was just announced, and I know a lot of people are actually very curious about it. Myself included, actually. I used to be a pretty big Counter-Strike and tactical shooter player, but after having my old laptop break and spending a few years away from it, the skill ceiling is simply far too high for me to get into it. Which is really unfortunate to say, but yeah, that's just how some things are, I suppose. Ooh, I almost got grabbed by, I guess we'll call them on the IRS. I don't know, is that funny? Polydactyl is actually incredibly good, holy crap.
It's time to kick and chew ass.
I really should install that one mod above that Batman installed, where instead of balls of steel, it's just balls. You dick. Broken Watch. I actually quite want vampirism to the point where I will bomb you both. Yeah, those are quite good. Oh, okay. No. You know what? Sure. I don't really want any other active items. Oh. Sure, why not? That gives me a chariot card. And you'll need a chariot to outrun the IRS as they hunt you for your tax evasion. Which, you know, that brings me to another step. You absolutely want to plan for the worst case scenario with tax evasion. Because, well, yes, it is definitely possible to make it work. You have to accept the reality that it is inevitable, that it will catch up with you one day. That was an incredibly easy fight, holy crap. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't really care what's in here. Yeah, neither of those are anywhere near as good as Brimstone. That's really funny. I'm actually just gonna leave. Rim with Eye of Belial, piercing, and homing. It will go incredibly hard, I just know it. Yeah, that's really good. It might be too good because I won't be able to collect my ill-gotten gains off of these, which might pose an issue with being able to purchase items in the future. Give me small rocket. No, okay.
Smelly.
Hopefully I can find a secret room with a reroll machine.
Relax. Well, that one really did a number on the aroma of
What's
the
in
room.
here? That does absolutely nothing for me. Well, I mean, sure, it's Seraphim progress, but I don't really want it.
Shot speed down.
does
Yes,
nothing
we
to
know
me.
you're absolutely devastated.
Oh,
by
wow.
that.
Full health. Wow. Hey, buy a lottery ticket.
Oh, my diagonals are on point today. But yes, methods of preparing yourself for the inevitable scrutiny from the IRS. I did not think any of this through. Wait, how do you switch card?
The chair. Oh God, the music's fast.
that works, I suppose. But yes, you definitely want to have contacts that can help you flee the country, just in case the IRS decides to look into what you're doing. Because unless they get Interpol on you and you're committing like multi-million-dollar tax evasion, you're going to have some problems. Although, who am I kidding? If you're rich enough, you have enough connections that the government will not care. Because as demonstrated by basically every corporation in the United States committing flagrant tax fraud over the past couple of years. Wow, that got very real very quickly. It's almost as if tax fraud and tax evasion is a very real subject that you should be well educated on. Ooh, hey, these are good drinks. Stars card. I actually completely forget how to. Is it shift? No, I actually don't know. I'm just gonna take my. Actually, I'm just gonna hermit card.
Hermit. Okay.
I guess I'll take this for future proofing. But honestly, all of these are kind of useless. No secret room. I'm sad. Oh right, I already found my secret room. Duh. You know, I've seen a couple secret rooms that were in very suspicious places. Almost as suspicious as your tax. Oh, right, how's that? Almost suspicious as your tax record. After listening to all of my incredibly helpful, and definitely not at all illegal tips on how to commit tax evasion. There's also obviously the internet can be your friend if you want to figure out money laundering. But banks can also be a great way to perform this. For the obvious reason that they are giant financial institutions that are basically doomed. Not doomed. They are too big to fail. And if they do fail, then everyone suffers except for you. We'll go down. We already have a lot of devil items anyway. But yes, I suppose I will name this Rambling About Tax Evasion off the top of my head or something. Wow, there's already a lot of stuff. Come on, do it. Aww. I was hoping it would drop an angel room. Can they drop angel room items? They're blessed chests, so theoretically. Ooh, thank you, game. Okay, well, we're about to max out on our money. Which actually does bring me to a genuine financial tip. If you're going to have laundered money in a bank, at least make sure to follow the procedure of having different accounts set for over $250,000. The last thing you want is your money, either legitimate or illegitimate, to be lost in a bank closure, like what happened recently with Silicon Valley Bank, where your first 250K is protected, but the rest is not, and you are out of a bunch of money. That would be very unfortunate indeed. Now, if I can find my item room, if I can find my boss room very soon, that would be greatly appreciated. Come on, I don't even care about the secret room anymore. I just want my item room, boss room. I am sad, but at the very least I'm rich, which is the ultimate takeaway of learning to evade taxes. You may be miserable, but you're rich, and that's all that matters. God, this video is so stupid. If anyone watches this, please explain why. I am genuinely curious as to who could tolerate my strange sense of humor, I guess. Oh, that's not even remotely close. Okay, I guess it's not there. What a shame. Unless... Nope, okay. Oh, it couldn't have been there. Well, nickel. I'm not going to be able to get that nickel in time, and it doesn't even matter. I'm already rich. I'm going back to the earned income tax credit and child credit. You can always submit multiple tax returns as a married couple filing jointly. Just make up a spouse. But this method will not get you very far if the spouse you make up, you make them up because they have the information to know whether or not you're creating real living. Although, very interesting factoid, they actually did used to have an honor system for child tax credit, which, if you watch CGP,
well, hey, help up.
Hey, that's
Hope
very
you
good.
find that useful.
I did. Funny anti-birth announcer, I did. They literally just said, please don't lie, we have no way to check, as a social security credit for getting your child a social security number. So some families would just make up new children as the time went along, which I find very funny and, very relatable as a poor person. Well, I don't really want to call myself poor. I may be low on income, but I have a roof over my head. I have enough money to pay the bills until I start college. It's just going into the philosophy of what is work and what does it mean to have certain economic statuses, which, I am obviously no philosopher major, but wait. Okay, I just didn't see that door. That was my bad. I personally believe that a lot of your status it obviously is, and unfortunately is defined by material goods. You can break free of it by freeing yourself from societal expectations. And while that isn't going to solve not being able to put food on the table, or I'm getting put in a corner, that was very unfortunate. Not being able to put food on the table, or being in a position where you simply just cannot afford rent or utilities. If you can just accept that you do not wish to live a lavish lifestyle, you can make it work. I'm not saying, obviously, to not expect better. I mean, why do you think we're talking about laundering money and evading taxes? Because we want better. Ooh. It's time for the Q button simulator.
Classic love party. It happens once and everybody in the room starts
it's like
each
a
other.
wafer?
It's disgusting.
Oh, whoops. That was a mistake.
Well, hey, health up.
It's
Hope you
not
find
that
that
big of a deal,
useful.
honestly. Watch, I'm gonna find a restock machine now, and I'm just gonna be really sad. Although, funnily enough, I had too much money, so it actually did not drop as nickels, it dropped as a full dollar, which is not helpful for what I wanted to do. Oh, I guess I did get an I can see forever. Well, you know what, sure, let's generate a bunch of flies. And I guess I'll, walk around and look for my, normal secret room. Oh, speaking of which, it's right here. Missing no. The no part is very accurate. But yeah, I guess a lot of what society deems as wealth or rich comes down to personal preference. Would I want to be a mega billionaire who can buy yachts and go into space whenever they want? Why did I just brim snap? That was no point in doing that. I mean, on paper, sure, but I find having that amount of wealth to be... Oh, I almost took the wrong option there. Got the hiccups now, god damn it. Excuse me, hold on. Let me just not die. And there we go. Ow. Well, we got perfection, actually. Oh, sure, that's funnier than no. And we have to go down. Guess I'll Ace of Hearts a room that sucks in Shoal, because guess what? Shoal sucks. Oh, hold up. Come on, hit me. Oh, right, I forgot about... Oh, I just skill issued there. Yeah, I am not playing very efficiently, if you cannot tell. Alright, host hat. I keep forgetting I have it. It's a really good item. I really shouldn't be forgetting about it. But, yeah. Again, it's up to you to determine what amount of financial well-being will make you happy, but I believe as long as you're able to put food on the table without killing yourself at work, then, you know, that's the ultimate thing that matters. Although, I really do need to stop getting into these philosophical ramblings and, I guess, political rants. Because I said I didn't want to be super political on this channel, and here I am being a gigantic liar. But, you know, it's an unfortunate reality in my position where sometimes I just gotta kinda be a hard ass about certain things, because as someone with multiple disabilities, the only person that is really going to be able to stand up.
No more moving, no more playing the game. Okay, it's done. You can go now.
Thank you, funny Isaac man. Wow, that's rare.
Holy card. I bet you're gonna get sick of listening to this one every day.
That's the first time I've seen a holy card inside of a Tainted Lost Run. I'm not even going to lie to you. What are the chances of getting that? Ow. Well, there goes my normal holy mantle. But actually, we're in a very good position right now, so assuming I don't use the holy card. Jesus, this is a... Oh, I didn't mean to pick that up. It's fine. This is a gigantic shoal floor, by the way. I just... Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. There we go. Alright, phase 2 is done. There we go. And down we go to the end of our little part, rambling about how to commit tax crimes part. What it means. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. All but 2 of these, all but 1 of these are incredibly good. Holy crap. Well, we're basil bulb too. Yeah, I guess, yeah, I genuinely have no idea what I'm gonna title this. Just like, tax season is here, so I whisper some facts about accountancy and tax evasion. Or, Tainted Keeper player teaches you how to commit tax evasion and other ASMR ramblings. I don't know what would get the algorithm going, I guess. I mean, the algorithm would find tax-related stuff quite funny nowadays, but you know, obviously not really thinking too much about the algorithm in the moment. Wow, that was literally every bomb in the game at once. That was every bomb ever. Fuck this room. Yeah, I was not dealing with that. That was just not going to be something that was occurring. Shockingly, no chests so far. I don't know where they are. Like, seriously, can I get a chest? There we go. And it's the This has been a very strange day. Technically that's good, but I'm not really in need of money anymore. Maybe that was the thing with Tainted Keeper, lest I forgot, that he just doesn't really get a lot of chests on the final floor because it breaks his whole mechanic, I guess. I actually do not know. If anyone is knowledgeable about it, then please inform me in the comments. I'm actually really curious. Hello, then. 2. How many shots do we need to kill Lamb? 3, 4, 5. It took 7 shots. There's some amount of symbolism in that, I suppose. But I guess we will go ahead, conclude this run really quickly, and then I will leave you with a little bit of key. Ooh, wow. Sure, I'll take all of these. We'll go ahead and do a quick little look around for anything good. And then I will leave you with some typing and some parting words. Really apologies because I'm so sorry I had to sit through this. This video sucks. Why did you watch this? I've never seen shovel spawn here. What? Oh, that's a thing you can do?
Speed up! Don't go too fast now.
That's kinda neat, I suppose. I know that that's similar to how you unlock the Forgotten, but I was not aware that shovel could spawn there, that you could shovel the pits. That's quite cool. You learn something new every day with this game, I suppose. Give me a secret room item. Oh, imagine if that was an RT. Although, that's quite good. Although, maybe. No, okay. Well, it's been a fun run. I will go ahead and go to end the run and leave you with a parting apology. I am very sorry about this video. I'm sorry for wasting your time. You should have done something else. Your time is much better spent somewhere else. And with that apology, I await your unsubscription from my channel. And I bid you a farewell with the sounds of typing and keyboard clicking. And that's that. And with that, take care.